Okay, things at the micro pottery studio got upgraded. Oh, I was wondering where those were. And I bought a mini wheel. It came with these tools. Oh, that's cool. I love this tool. This one. This one is my favorite tool. Oh, this one's cool because it's got the little ball thing. And that. Okay. But here's the actual wheel. I have already opened up this box, so that's why it looks haphazard. Okay, so this, turn it on, goes one direction with a dial adjuster. You can reverse it to go the other direction, depending on how you throw. I've never done this before, so I don't know. I'm left-handed, so maybe I want the wheel to go this way. Okay. So that's kind of cool. And you could shut it off from there too, from the dial. All right, I mainly bought this not to throw pottery, but to trim and make plates. So I'm gonna try to do this. I need a sponge. But I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I imagine you wet the wheel a little bit. They always talk about centering the clay. I don't know, this makes it more slidey. Now this isn't like, oh, that's my kiln popping. They always talk about this isn't like a real wheel experience. I wanted a tabletop because I didn't want to have to bend over, and I'm really not trying to be a wheel potter, at least not right now. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna make a plate. That's what I'm gonna try. And I wear gloves because clay dries my hands out way too much. And they start to peel, so I imagine that can't be good for you. I'm just flattening this with this part of my hand. Oh no. See how it is. Interesting. This is like how I do my laundry. Oops. Let's see what it looks like. I got it into a flatter disc, and now what I'm going to try to do is lift it up. So I'll try to do that. Oops. That's good. Okay. Oops. Well, that's something. Wow. Now this top part is a little crazy. But that bottom part's not so bad. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I would have to cut some of this off. I'll have to get a knife or something. So I think I'm going to make this into like a little heart, little picture or something. Oh, that'd be cute. Try to even out these sides. Now I don't know when I should take this off. And should I sponge this a little bit? Like go in there and do that? Maybe. Oh, yeah, and I poked a hole in it because I wanted to see how deep it was. So I compressed that. Okay. If you know what you're doing, feel free to comment. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. But it's fun. This is my only second try, so not bad. I mean, it's something. Became something. Finished my first thing on the wheel. Not bad. I made it into like a little pitcher. Or whatever, like a little sauce. A sauce bowl with, and then this will be the spout. I don't know. Kind of fun. All right, I think I need to let it dry before I can take it off the wheel, because it seems like it'd be too fragile, so I'm gonna wait. So here's what it ended up looking like. I put my maker's mark on the bottom, and oh, I need to clean up that edge. See the little crack thing? Yeah, I need to clean that up. And on the bottom, I wrote my first throw with the date. And I thought this would be cute to maybe put a sauce in and then just pour it out. I don't know, it feels comfortable in my hand, and I think it's just a nice way to commemorate my first throw. Hi, sorry the lighting is kind of quirky, but I'm in my little she shed, which is my art studio slash potting shed, and that's where the little mini wheel is. And I don't have my big battery generator hooked up out here, so anyways, I'm holding up a solar light to get this lighting. But I just wanted to say that I am really glad that I got this little mini wheel. It does a pretty good job, and I'm going to use it, like I said earlier, for trimming, and I'm going to try to make some mini stuff. It was kind of messy, so I don't know how much I'm going to use it, because pottery in itself is messy, and you know, I don't mind as long as I'm doing it outside, and then I could just hose things down. But anyhow, I just wanted to share that with you. And if you are gonna get one of these things, just be careful that you don't get any water in where the electrical area goes. I know that should be obvious, but I read somebody's comment where they did that, and then they their little potter wheel didn't work anymore. So and this was cheap. It was $31 on Amazon. All right, until next time, take care.